Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a new and exciting feature on the Messenger app for PC, sending your personalized avatar stickers. Whether you're chatting with friends or family, these unique stickers add a fun twist to your conversations. Let's get started. First, the initial step is to open the Messenger app on your PC. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you're ready to explore the world of avatar stickers. Next, navigate to the chat where you want to send your avatar sticker. This could be a conversation with a friend, a group chat, or anyone you'd like to share a fun sticker with. Finding the right chat is essential, as this is where your sticker will shine. Now, go ahead and open the chat. Once it's open, look for the sticker icon, which is usually located in the message input area. This icon is your gateway to a variety of stickers, including the new avatar stickers. Click on the sticker icon, and you'll see a range of sticker options. But we're looking for something a bit more personal, your avatar. So keep an eye out for the avatar icon, which will allow you to access your customized avatar sticker pack. This is where the fun really begins. Once you click on the avatar icon, you'll be presented with a collection of stickers that reflect your unique style and personality. Take a moment to browse through the options. Whether you want to express excitement, humor, or just say hello, there's a sticker for every occasion. Finally, when you find the perfect sticker that captures your mood, simply click on it to send it immediately. It'll pop right into the chat, ready to bring a smile to your recipient's face. And there you have it. Sending avatar stickers on Messenger is a simple and enjoyable way to enhance your conversations. With just a few clicks, you can share a piece of yourself in every chat. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Happy chatting!